Hi, this is Lachlan, and today we will be reviewing the Lego City Mining Splitter. It's ages 5 to 12. I'll show you the back of the box. Now let's open this thing. Hi guys, it's the completed Lego City Mining Power Splitter. Let's start off with showing you guys the minifigures. First up, we have the miner. He's got a cool pickaxe, a headlamp. He's got some muscles in the background of his shirt. He's got a scratch on his face, blue pants, and a mining shirt. He looks like he's sweaty. That's why he has no sleeves. Okay, next up we have the spider. The spider actually glows in the dark. It's got 8 legs. It lives in this rock. Okay, now on to the rock. It has some gold inside. There's a little stud on the side so you can put the spider in, and it can glow in the dark. It doesn't glow very well. And there's some gold inside, and there's a little space, and there's some space where you can put that pickaxe. It just clips in like that. And there's some rock detail on the front. That was a look at the rock. Now let's move on to the mining splitter. It's got some detail on the front, on the top, and the cockpit can open up. The whole thing can spin around like this. It can go up and down. And this goes slowly to open up the rock. There. Now they can go in and see the gold. Now let's put this back together. There's a chair with some controls, and there's some lights at the front. And it can go around and around. I can show you how it spins. You just have to put this piece here. Okay guys, that was the Lego City Mining Power Splitter. Leave me a comment down below to tell me which set you want me to build next. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.